Welcome to another episode of Living in Tahoe, and I have the great pleasure of showing you one of the most fabulous contemporary refurbished condos I've ever seen in all of Lake Tahoe. This is fantastic. Can't wait to show you this property. We are at 1000 Lakeshore Boulevard, Incline Village, the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe. And you're thinking, Lakeshore Boulevard, Tony, isn't that where all the multi-million-dollar houses are? I mean, one just sold for 64 million. I just did a video in the last 2 weeks of one just down the street. That was 11.5 million. And here we are on Lakeshore Boulevard, but this one's under $2 million. So you're gonna love this. Let's go check it out. So what are the three most important things in real estate? I'm sure you've heard it. Everybody talks about it, right? Three biggest things in real estate are location, location, location. But Tahoe Tony, after 20 years of selling luxury real estate in the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe, has a different idea. I think location, location, condition. Because if you are in a house that's in a really bad shape, but you're in a great location, that may not be the best buy for you. But this property has a tremendous location. The beach, Lake Tahoe, is right across the street. The Hyatt and all of their great restaurants and everything is right across the street. Country Club Mall with all their fabulous restaurants and shops, and the most amazing office in all of town, eXp Luxury Real Estate by Tahoe Tony, is right there as well. So if you live here, you can walk over and say hi every day. You get free candy, free coffee. But this unit is an amazing location. So we're on Incline Village on the North Shore of Lake Tahoe, so we get the most amount of sun. It's great. We don't have state income tax in Nevada, so you get that going for a year. We have incredible amenities in Incline Village. We've got 3 private beaches. One of them is right there, right across the street, literally. And then we've got a ski resort. We've got 2 golf courses. We have pickleball courts, tennis courts, a rec center with an indoor swimming pool. It's an amazing place to live. And this is a great condo in this amazing town. So location, location, condition, or location, amenities, condition, whatever you want to call it, it's all fantastic. Let's check this out. We are in a condominium complex. There are 24 units in this complex. One of the great things is you get a 1-car garage with this unit. So not only you get all this fabulous, everything you see, you also get a 1-car garage. So if you want to travel, you can lock your car in the garage. You don't have to worry about it. You also get 2 other parking spaces here, which is very important because they allow short-term rentals here. So when you're not using it, if you want to rent this out on a short-term basis, you can do that. That just blows my mind. You get all this in one great package. It's fantastic. But let's go check it out. Enough talk. Let's go see. This is what we're here for, right? Starting out, I love this. They love to entertain here. You've got the great room feeling. You've got all your beautiful glassware. You can put your liquor in there if you want. You've got a beautiful counter here to display your liquor. You've got an ice machine, a little wine bar here. It's fantastic. As we come in the kitchen, you notice the kitchen has this great open feeling to it. So if you're entertaining or you're in the kitchen, you still will be able to see everybody out there and talk. And there's tons of cabinet space. They did a fantastic job when they refurbished this of keeping tons of cabinet space. I like that. This is your pantry here, pull-out shelves, very clever. We've got a half bath here. So your half bath on this floor. So if you're entertaining, everybody doesn't have to go downstairs. They just go right here and use the facilities. Beautiful countertops. I love the white. And then these tiles look like wood. It just looks like cuts of N wood. Very clever, unique. I love it. We've got a big, beautiful sink. I mean, you can wash. You don't wash cats, right? You don't wash cats, but you can wash a baby in here if you have to. It's big enough. We've got a nice dishwasher, microwave, a beautiful stove for cooking here. I believe this is a Thermidor. And look at this vent. I love this. And this thing sucks the air out. It's fantastic. Dries it outside, so you're not gonna stink up the house if you do some cooking like I do, where every now and then you burn a few things, but hey, that happens, right? So fantastic job with the kitchen. It's just perfectly done for this house with open room feeling. We've got the bar here, so you just want to hang out and be casual. Or if you want to be a little more formal, we've got a nice little dining area here. And they have a beautiful table. It looks like it's handmade with some handmade chairs. This gorgeous little light over the table, which isn't too much. Sometimes people do a chandelier and it's too much. This seems just like a nice, subtle, but beautiful light shining over the table. And they did a lovely job with this. We've got a row of windows here. We've got automatic blinds. We've got a ceiling fan. We've got this incredible fireplace. It's just a beautiful room. I would be so excited to entertain guests and friends here. Because when you live in Tahoe, people are gonna come visit you because it's such an amazing place living in Tahoe. So to have a beautiful room like this in a condo that's 1,624 square feet, I mean, this feels massive. So great job, kudos to the people who designed this and refurbished it. I wanna give them 2 thumbs up. Before we go downstairs, 2 things. First of all, let me introduce myself. I'm Tahoe Tony, the founder of this channel about living in Tahoe, where I show you some of the cool things about living in Tahoe, a lot of great houses, especially this one. So if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe below, click on the notification bell, and you'll be notified when I put out another great video of what it's like to live in Tahoe. So before we go downstairs, where there are 3 more bedrooms, 2 ensuite bedrooms, and this massive bathroom, we've got a deck out here. So we've got a little deck right here, right off the living room area. It's not a massive deck, it's a small deck, but there's place if you want to do a barbecue or something, or just store your bikes or something out there. It's real easy. Although if you have a garage, you don't need to store bikes out there, but if you need to go out there and just hang out, enjoy your cup of coffee in the morning, you've got that option. So let's go downstairs. It's really lovely. They did an amazing job with these stairs. I love it, the contemporary Tahoe feel. It's fabulous, come on. So now we're downstairs. We've got this cute little bedroom here. And it's great, they just got it set up with bunk beds, so you can sleep, I don't know, at least 4 kids. Kids are small, they can fit double in there, right? But great little room. We've got laundry right here, and we've got a full bath, which is amazing for this room. So if you wanted to take the bunk beds out and make this a guest suite, this would be very comfortable guest suite because you've got a really good sized room. You've got a nice big TV and then a full bath. So if someone's staying there, they have all the amenities they need. This is a great room. So just off of that little bunk bed room there, we come down the hallway and we have the master suite. And this is lovely. They did a great job in here. They've got closets with beautiful built-ins. They didn't spare any cost with that for the built-ins. Nice king-size bed with plenty of room on the sides. We've got a window with blinds. And then they've got the open concept for the bathroom here, which is kind of fun. I like that. So you've got your double sinks, you've got a separate toilet, and then a shower, which I just walked into. Luckily the door opens in, otherwise I would have banged my head. But just lovely, the tile work that they picked out, the backsplash here, very unique, a lot of fun. I mean, they just had fun when they refurbished this. So we got the ceiling fan, a lot of light, great room, great master bedroom. So we are in the 3rd bedroom, a great, nice sized bedroom. We got a ceiling fan. We got a window letting in some beautiful light. There's a really fun contemporary house right over there. You're looking in the backyard, it's great. We've got a built-in closet, and this is the only bedroom is not ensuite in here. So pretty nice. I love what they did. Nice, clean, contemporary look. And again, if you want to do short-term rentals here when you're not using this, this is set up for that. So you've got a great amount of parking, 3 bedrooms, so you should be able to get a good amount of money. This was actually on a long-term rental program, and they were getting just under $5,000 a month, which is pretty good. I mean, the location and the way it's refurbished, that's what allowed them to get such a great amount of money for it. So this is the 3rd bathroom down here. So we have 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. As you can see, this one is massive. So if you did have a lot of people here hanging out, enjoying Tahoe, whether you're skiing in the winter or you're going on the lake, which is literally right across the street in the summertime, or if you're just hiking, kayaking, there's so many great things to do in Tahoe. It's awesome. And then it seems like everybody needs to go back, get ready, take showers to go out to dinner because there's some awesome restaurants and some great entertainment. We've seen so many great bands in Lake Tahoe. It's awesome. Here, Duran Duran, Loverboy, Stevie Nicks, Pat Benatar, Journey. Seen Journey a couple times. Seen some great Western bands as well. I'm drawing a blank on the Western bands. Who was it? Chris Stapleton. And who was the guy who was married to Nicole Kidman? Keith Urban. He puts on a great show. Anyway, so much fun, entertaining thing to do in Lake Tahoe. Literally, when you have a place up here, so many of your friends are going to be buying, and this place is set up to get a lot of people in, get them cleaned up, and get them out quickly, or you can just hang out and relax. It's a great place. So I'm not lying, the lake is right there, right? You trust me when I tell you about how great this location is, right? So the lake is right there, multi-million dollar houses all along the street. It's called Billionaires Row on the other side of the lakeside. And then you, with this unit, you get this 1-car garage, which is really great because just being able to store your car, it's like if, we love to travel. So it'd be great to throw your car in there, get a ride to the airport and spend 3 weeks in Europe or wherever we want to go, or fly down to Napa or whatever. So many great things. So having a garage is awesome, or if it's gonna storm, put your car in the garage, you don't have to worry about cleaning snow off. Anyway, garages are very useful. And then right behind that, there's also like a 3x6 storage shed back there, which is great because you could probably fit a bike in there, your skis, small paddleboard maybe. Anyway, I don't know exactly how tall it is, a paddleboard anyway, but a great storage unit for all your fun toys of what you're living in Tahoe. So I really love what they did with this condo. They spared no expense when they refurbished it. They used some very clever ideas. They've got the tall ceilings, the ceiling fan, remote controlled skylights up there, so you can just let those open in the summertime and let that cool breeze come in. It's gonna be great in the summertime. I couldn't imagine staying here. Such a fun place. The location is fantastic. We're right across the street from the beach. The Hyatt, eXp Luxury Real Estate's office. Okay, that's not a big draw for you, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4 restaurants, right? 5 restaurants right over there. The Hyatt has 3 restaurants. They're redoing the Lone Eagle Grill. Larry Nelson owns that, and I heard it might be a Nobu. I mean, who knows? It's just amazing location, an incredibly well done place. You get a 1-car garage with 2 other parking spaces, and you can do short-term rentals. So if you want to allow someone in here in this beautiful place, you can do that. So super fantastic. I'm really glad I got to showcase this unit. I really like it. It's priced very well. It's priced at $1,750,000. The taxes are only $33.24 a year. Isn't that crazy? And they don't go up when it's sold. So they should remain at that level for quite some time, actually. So great unit. If you want to live here, reach out to me. I'm a real estate broker. This is what I do. Broker salesperson. I sell real estate in Lake Tahoe. I've been selling luxury real estate in Tahoe for over 27 years. And I get to see beautiful homes like this and sell them to people and see how excited are they when we buy them and see how excited they are when their friends come to visit. And they just get so excited. I love it. So if you want to do that, reach out to me. And I guarantee your move to Lake Tahoe, Nevada will be the best real estate experience you've ever had.